In this video, we will compare Dub investing versus Autopilot, which is the best investment app. Dub. Dub positions itself as a next-generation social investing platform, offering a wide range of community-driven and professional portfolios that users can copy with ease. One of its standout features is the ability to follow not only a professional investor and funds, but also everyday individuals who consistently outperform the market. This democratizes investing in a way that few platforms do. Unlike traditional robust advisories and curated trackers, Dub emphasizes transparency. Each portfolio comes with the performance stats, allocation details, and in many cases, written complementary and trade rationale. This helps new investors learn not only what to invest in, but why, which is a major educational advantage. Dub also allows for fractional investing, making it accessible for users with modest budgets and their social discovery tools, which makes it easy to browse and compare different strategies. Despite its strength, Dub does come with few limitations. Trade execution is not instantaneous. While you can copy portfolios in real time, market orders are not always filled at the exact same price or as the original investor, especially during high volatility. Another drawback is that the depth of the portfolio analytics remains fairly surface level. You will see performance and composition, but deeper metrics like ratios, drawdowns, analysis, and tax optimization insights are not currently offered. Some users have also noted the app's onboarding process requests payment information early, which can feel pushy, and for those who want to explore before committing. Additionally, Dub is relatively new. While its community is growing, the platform is evolving, meaning some of the features are still in active development and are new to the platform. Pricing. Dub offers a straightforward and competitive map pricing model. The main tier is $10 per month and $90 per year. This includes unlimited access to available portfolios, not gating any features behind an additional paywall or premium. There is also a 7-day free trial to allow new users to test their platform before subscribing or paying. Compared to other copy trade services, their charging strategy or tracker, Dub's flat rate fee is a major advantage, particularly for many users who want to follow multiple portfolios or experiment with different styles of trading. Brokerage fees. Brokerage fees are separate and depend on the partner platform, but Dub is transparent about these costs and can integrate them into the setup process. Ease of use. Dub is built with user experience in mind. Its interface is sleek, modern, and resembles popular music, videos, or platforms. Completed with curated feeds, search filters, and featured portfolios. Setting up an account is fast, and you can easily start copying trades or portfolios within a matter of minutes of linking a funding score. For beginners, Dub's emphasis on visual design, digestible summaries, makes investing feel much less intimidating. Users can explore portfolio based on risk, tolerance, historical returns, or themes such as tech, stocks, green investing, or more. The app also includes community features such as follows, likes, strategy updates, and more, making it feel more a collaborative environment than just a static, brokerage, boring dashboard. On the other hand, Autopilot. Autopilot is tailored for users who want to invest passively by following elite investors, even political figures or institutional managers. Its biggest strength is access to public data sources like 13F filings, which allow the app to mirror the portfolios of large hedge funds, members of Congress, or notable insiders. Autopilot handles all trades, executions automatically. Once you subscribe to a tracker, your portfolio will adjust accordingly as new data is released. The platform supports brokerage integration with major firms like Robinhood, TD Armitage, and others, making setup fairly seamless for many different users. Autopilot also prides itself on trust and transparency, ensuring users are notified before any trade can occur, giving them the option to pause or override the decision at any single time. However, the biggest drawback of Autopilot investing is its rigid and reliance on public filings, which can be delayed by nature. 13F data is typically 30 to 90 days old, meaning that the portfolio you copy may be out of date or sync with the original investor who currently holds it. While this might not be a deal breaker for long-term investors, it can reduce short-term accuracy and even lead to underperformance compared to the source portfolio. Another limitation is the lack of customization options. You can't build or share your own strategy, and it restricts the tracker to Autopilot offers. Some users have expressed their concerns about limited control over sell timing or rebalancing logistics, especially when the market conditions change rapidly. In addition, communication for the platform is sometimes infrequent, with less of a community feel compared to Dub investing. Pricing. Autopilot's investing pricing is a tracker-based, meaning each strategy, such as Pelosi Tracker, Buffett Clone, top hedge funds, is sold individually for $100 per year. This can quickly add up if you want to access more than one trading strategy. There is no single flat rate fee, so subscribing to multiple trackers can cost anywhere from $200 to $900 per year, depending on the level of involvement. While some may argue this allows for a larger diversification of your portfolio and customization, it makes sure the platform is considerably more expensive than competitors such as Dub. Especially for those who are curious users who want to test multiple different styles of trading or portfolio before committing to one long term. There is also a limited free version, but it does not allow real-time copy trading. Ease of use. Autopilot interface is clean and functional, focusing on more utility than visual engagement. The setup is straightforward. You link your brokerage, pick a trader or tracker, then confirm your subscription. The app does the rest, monitoring trades automatically, replicating them within your account. However, compared to Dub, the user experience feels less dynamic and more static, with a less of a community feel. There is no discovery feed, no social interaction, and no ability to browse user-generated strategies. This makes Autopilot better suited for those users who want to set it and forget it, but less appealing for those who enjoy exploring and learning through the community engagement. For investors who prefer a curated, low-maintenance experience, Autopilot delivers, but for those who prefer variety, interaction, and educational value may find it lacking. Overall, when comparing Dub and Autopilot, you should always remember, Dub is arguably the better option in investment app if you're looking for a dynamic, social and flexible platform that blends copy trading with education and community engagement. Its flat rate pricing makes it accessible to a wider range of users, and the ability to follow multiple professionals and everyday traders opens up a much broader spectrum of strategies. You can start investing with just as little as $100, as the interface is built to help users discover, understand and even create their own portfolios. Dub excels in transparency and user control, offering real-time execution, a clean modern UI, and an experience that feels more interactive than any traditional investment tool. However, in contrast, Autopilot takes a more passive and narrow-focused approach. It's better suited for those investors who want to mimic high-profile portfolios, like those hedge fund managers or members of Congress, without actively managing their trades. However, it has a heavy reliance on public filings, which can introduce significant lag, and the pricing model makes it far more expensive than Dub if you want to diversify your portfolio. While Autopilot provides solid automation and simplicity, it lacks the customization options, real-time data and community-driven features that makes Dub stand out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.